These are by far my favorite videos to do. It is Open the Box, because we play the game What's in the Box? What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Okay. Now then. Oh. Is it Will Ferrell? No! It's not Will Ferrell. It's Elvis! Oh, yeah. Let's see what else we have. Alright. There's no Army Elvis, though. No Army Elvis, no potatoes. Making sure I got everything. Here lately, I've been kind of missing some things that have been in it. Sudoku puzzle. Maybe I'll do that later. Ooh, are these listings on what's on TV? Oh, no. No. But there's Elvis! We have an Elvis sighting! Have you noticed he stopped showing up? Not sure why. I think maybe he died. Poor Elvis. Died on the throne. But they do have different candies in them. Let's check out the back. Collect them all! 60s, 70s. Yeah. The end. Shouldn't you say collect them both? Just saying. But here you go. Collect them all. That's right. There's 3 more in a tin. You win this time, PEZ. Well played. Well played. So until next time.